This practical contains all stitching aspects. Let's learn. There are different material tools that we use for stitching practicals. This is a tracing wheel. This we use for tracing purpose. Scissor, thread. You can use chalk colors or glass pencil for marking on the fabric. You require fabric, bead-headed pins, regular Tachni pins. Okay. Then you have seam opener. In case anything goes wrong, you can use this for opening purpose, measuring tape. Let's learn how to cut the fabric. Assume this is your fabric. Both the side you have selvage. Okay. This is the width and this is the length. Parallel to selvage we consider as vertical grain line. So you donate vertical grain line with the straight vertical arrow marking. Whenever you want to mention the horizontal grain line, this becomes your horizontal grain line. Okay, and this diagonally is your bias grain line. Okay, always remember to mark your arrow points on both the sides. Okay, to show the grain line. Okay, now consider this is your fabric. You have to match selvage to selvage. Okay, so I'm matching selvage to selvage this way vertically. Okay, like this. So this side I am having fold on the fabric and this is my selvage. We need total 8 pieces. Okay, for basic seam learning of 10 by 8 samples. So vertically I need 10 centimeter and horizontally I need 8 centimeter. Okay, and total we require 8 pieces. Before cutting, before starting, you need to understand how many pieces you want to cut on which direction. So these pieces we need to cut vertically. That means on vertical grain. Okay, so after matching the selvage to selvage, okay, after folding the fabric, you need to start marking. So what you have to do, on the selvage side, mark 10. Okay, at interval go on marking 10 everywhere. Okay, and then match these points. Okay, match this point. Okay, to get a uniformity. Now from this point you come in by 8 centimeter. So this will give you 2 pieces, and then again 8 centimeter, again 8 centimeter, again 8 centimeter. Okay, similarly from here you go on marking 8, 8, 8, 8. Okay, and join these pieces. Randomly I am marking just to make you all understand how you need to cut your fabric. Okay, once marking is done, use your scissor and start cutting. Okay, just cut it like this. Okay, cutting fabric, cutting paper, we have a difference. Okay, you can't hold the fabric and cut it. You need to keep it flat on the surface and start cutting. Keep your hand like this and slowly start cutting on the marked line. Okay, you need to shift while cutting. You're not supposed to shift or move your fabric. Okay, now I want to cut this side. Let's cut all vertical lines first. Either way. Okay, so suppose this is done. Okay, cut this line. This way you go on cutting. be marked for 10 by 8 centimeter. Go on marking 20 randomly like this. Okay. Join these lines. Okay. Join this line, and this side go on marking 10. Okay. 10 like this. Then maybe you can mark directly 20 and 30. Okay. So this fabric is on fold. I am getting 1, 2, 3 panels of 20 by 10. That means after cutting, I'll get 2 pieces here, 2 pieces, total 6 pieces. So we require 6 pieces of 20 by 10. piece 10 by 10 centimeter. One piece we have cut. This is your 10 by 8, total 8 pieces, in which on 2 pieces you have selvage, other 6 pieces are without selvage. This is your 10 by 5 centimeter, total 8 pieces. Here you have option, either you can cut 5 by 5, total 16 pieces, or 10 by 5, 8 pieces. This is your 20 by 10, 6 pieces. Okay, in all other pieces it is okay if you don't have selvage, but in this you need to have selvage on 2 pieces at least.